Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the headlight on a 2014 Honda CRV. Unfortunately, you do have to take off the bumper to replace the assembly. I have a separate video on how to do that. I'll link to that in the description below. If you're looking to replace the headlights, I'll also put a link where you can get those. We're going to start out on the upper portion of the headlight here. We have this rubber covering right here. You just want to pick up on it and peel it back, and we want to remove this clip. You can use a flathead screwdriver, or in my case I'm using a clip tool. And to get it out, you just want to pry the two pieces apart. You can tell there's a lower piece of the clip and an upper. You just want to get between there and pry them apart. Like that. And then when you go to reinstall it, you just push it back in and then push the top part down. If you break these clips, you can also get replacements online. I'll link to those also. And if you do pull this up and say that clip comes out and it stays in the fender, a lot of times it'll come out like that. When you go to push it back down, it won't go down all the way because of that clip. So you're gonna have to remove the clip by pulling it out and then just sliding it back onto the rubber piece before you go to clip it back in. And next, there's a series of 10mm bolts we need to take out. The first one we're going to start with is this bolt on the top here. And then there's one through this little hole. And also one down below here. And lastly, there's one more on the side. And then just pull up on the back of the headlight right here and pull out on this bottom bracket right here towards you. And then just wiggle the headlight. And as you pull out on it, you'll see that there is a clip holding the wire on right here and right here. Just pinch the two ends on this blue clip and push it through. And then for this clip, you can use a flathead or a clip tool again and just pry out on the clip. And here on the back side of the headlight, there are some wire plugs that need to be unplugged. Just push on the tab right there and pull out. And on this one, just pull directly out. And this one's a little tricky. The middle tab that you gotta push down on pushes kind of hard. So I usually take a flathead and I'll push it down the middle tab with a flathead and then pull out with my hand. And once you undo all the electrical plugs, your headlight is ready to come out. Now, if you're replacing the headlight because of a collision, you're gonna want to check this lower bracket right here. This lower bracket does not come with the headlight. It's a separate piece. It's held on. You can see right there is a bolt. It's held on by a bolt on the bottom. But you can order that separately. I'll also link to that. But yeah, if you're changing it out for a collision, just make sure you check this piece because this is a very common piece that gets broken. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.